Heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum but don't know the difference? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking things down in plain English side by side so you can finally get what all the hype is about. Let's start with Bitcoin. Picture it as digital gold. It's the very first cryptocurrency, launched way back in 2009, created by someone called Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody really knows who that is. The big idea? Bitcoin lets you send money online, person to person, without needing a bank in the middle. And here's a key point, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, that's it. Because of this limit, a lot of people see Bitcoin as a store of value, kind of like gold but online. Most people use Bitcoin to save, invest, or send payments anywhere in the world. Simple, right? Now let's look at Ethereum. Think of Ethereum like a super smart computer that lives on the internet. It was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and some friends. While you use Ethereum to send money, just like Bitcoin, its real magic is in smart contracts and decentralized apps, or dApps for short. Smart contracts are little bits of code that run automatically when certain things happen. Like, imagine selling a digital artwork. Ethereum can handle the sale, send the money and transfer ownership, all without a middleman. This tech powers everything from NFTs to games to new kinds of finance called DeFi, short for decentralized finance. And here's something different. Ethereum doesn't have a fixed supply. More coins can be created over time, so it's not trying to be digital gold, it's more like fuel for the Web3 world. So let's recap with a quick side-by-side. Bitcoin, digital gold, limited supply, great for saving and sending money. First ever blockchain. Ethereum, programmable blockchain, no fixed limit, runs smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized apps, basically the building block for all things Web3. If you're just starting out, here's the big takeaway. Bitcoin is simple digital money. Think value and security. Ethereum is programmable money. Think innovation and building cool stuff on the internet. Still curious? There's a lot more to explore in crypto, but starting with the basics is the best way to learn. If you found this easy to follow, hit that subscribe button for more tech and crypto explained simply. I'm here to make it all make sense, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.